A recent article in the New Yorker, for example, showed how McAllen, Texas, is spending twice as much as El Paso County. Twice as much. Not because people in McAllen, Texas are sicker than they are in El Paso, not because they're getting better care or getting better outcomes. The other problem is that when you're not part of a pool, the insurance companies have every incentive to make sure that if you are older or you are sicker, that they do not cover you.
He was an athlete. As he grew older, he grew weaker and sicker.
Is by designing and marketing plans to attract the youngest and healthiest seniors, cherry picking, leaving the older and sicker seniors in traditional Medicare, where they have access to a wide range of doctors and guaranteed care. But that, of course, makes the traditional Medicare program, and it means that people who did sign up for the marketplace, who oftentimes may be sicker, qualify for Medicaid, and so they're not raising costs in the marketplace.